Hello. What's going on? J. Renard Leather, and we're here with another glorious unboxing. Now, what's getting unboxed is not this. This is here for a size reference. What's getting unboxed is the item that I'm going to be offering with my notebooks in my notebook covers, in addition to this. So right now I've got the hardback thick moleskins. I've got the soft cover moleskins, complete with the the signature pocket there in the back. I've also got some of these ruled moleskins. Actually, I've heard them pronounced moleskina. I don't know how accurate that is, but I've heard that several times from a few creators who are from Europe, where this is at least created from. So maybe I'm pronouncing that incorrectly. So moleskina, I don't know. I'll look it up. But again, some of the ruled ones, and also field notes. But I heard about this product that I'm about to open up here in this box, and I couldn't resist. I was too intrigued. So what it is is from this company called Karst, K-A-R-S-T. Please note, not sponsored. There, I've saved myself from potential lawsuits about sponsorships and all this, that, and the other. I'm being accurate on my channel here. All right. All right, I like this. Good packing. All right, a little bit too much though with the packaging, but still, it was quite effective. All right, so again, these are size A6, and you're not reading that wrong, stone paper. So let's do this. So this paper is made from stone. When I heard this, I couldn't resist. I had to look into it, and it just piqued my interest so much that I went ahead and I bought a few of these, and they were sold out. I had to wait a while before I got the notification from the website that they had a few of these back in stock. I tried to get them in multiple colors, and they just weren't available in any other color but this. All right, so I'll see if I can bring this close, and hopefully the difference in the texture shows up properly. But you see your field notes. The outside is made from cardstock, and the internals standard paper from wood pulp. And let me bring this up here so you can hear the difference. So you've got some of that. This here has a much different texture, and so you should be able to see the different texture, but give this a listen. It's a little bit different, probably because there's more air in the mixture on this paper. Again, much less air in the mixture for the cover, so the air doesn't resonate. Please don't make me get all nerdy about sound. That's my whole job in the military. All right, and you can see from the look of it, actually you can see right now how the light is hitting it. It's got different properties already. And just hear that. Now, I can tell you right off the bat, as soon as it is in your hands, this feels like a very dense silk, like silk that has a very, very high thread count. It's very smooth, but it has a really unique texture to it. I promise you, getting your hands on one of these stone paper notebooks is going to be a touch sensational experience. Having said that, these themselves do not feel bad. I like how these feel. They're great in the hand, they're not gonna slip, but because of the texture and whatnot here also, these aren't gonna slip for anybody, I guarantee you. This also feels pretty good, but it feels just like any other standard notebook. You're not really gonna remark too much on it when you do feel it. The paper quality inside moleskins, again, don't know how you pronounce these actually. They feel good. These are noticeably better than your standard fare that you'll get at, say, a notebook for standard school stuff, like that you get in, say, Target or Walmart or some such. Same thing here. Much better paper quality to the touch. You can tell this wasn't just quickly thrown together with BS product. But I gotta say, this here is a sensation. It really is. Truthfully, I kind of don't want to put this in a case because I like the touch to it. That's how good it feels. However, I also do want to see it inside a case so that it is protected. So that's the unboxing right there for that. Outstanding texture, great feel. Because I do want to sell these as part of an option, what I don't want to do is write in it. Because if I write in it, I won't be able to sell it to somebody who wants it. I have more than enough notebooks to myself. I don't want to use this. You know, rule number one of business, don't use up your own supply. However, I will be starting to make notebooks that will fit this. As it stands, this is one of the first ones that I made that I use for myself. It's got some wear and tear on it, but I still love how it feels. This came from the Horween Tannery out of Chicago. Great stuff. And so far as size, not much bigger, but still bigger so far as the height. Certainly wider. So this pattern that I've been using could still work a little bit, but I'm gonna have to make the opening a bit bigger. It does also come, as you can see, with a pocket here in the back, and I don't know if I pointed it out or if you can see it earlier, but these pages are perforated so they can be easily torn out. So let's see about how much space I need to give it. Maybe a couple of more millimeters, maybe even a centimeter on either side. Easy day. All right, let's gauge it so far as when it's closed. Okay, so I'm gonna have to make it about 1.5 centimeters larger, just so it'll definitely accommodate all the way to the end. So when I get any orders, if anybody wants a stone paper notebook specifically, please note I've only got 3 so far, but I certainly will be buying more as they become available. Because it is more material, there'll probably be, well, there'll definitely be a little bit more, but I'm not sure exactly how much more. I'll make one as an example. That video will be coming up probably in the next couple of weeks. And that is about it. I had to do this unboxing. I was glad to get this thing in the mail. I was really looking forward to it getting here. Again, just for the size comparison, these notebooks here, which are for sale on my Etsy and my Shopify, these will absolutely fit a moleskin, I'm just gonna call it that, hardback, and the tougher cardstock one with about, I think these are about 60 or 70 pages. And then the softback moleskins, and also the field notes. These will absolutely fit all of the field note size books. And I'll be making them again later to fit the stone paper notebooks. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you all are liking these unboxings. If anyone's got any questions, comments, concerns, or requests for future videos, leave them down in the comment section below. If you haven't already, please subscribe, give the video a like, and thanks for your time and attention. Jay Renard, out.